Alright, I thought I'd show something kind of fun about how to make a tiny notebook from one sheet of paper. So you need a sheet of paper. It doesn't have to be a new sheet of paper. Some scissors. I use a stapler. Here's what you do. Take a sheet of paper and you fold it in half lengthwise. It's going to be quick and dirty, so this is not going to be very even. Fold it in half, just crease it, unfold it. Alright, then fold it in half the other way. And fold it in half again. And we're just making creases right now. So you can make them as tight as you want, but we'll make them tight later if you want. Okay, so you unfold that. But only unfold it halfway. Okay, so we got creases on the paper. So you want to have it folded in half. And then this crease right here, we're going to cut from this folded edge, which is the center of the piece of paper, to this crease right here. Alright, so just take your scissors, get it, aligned as much as you can or want to, and just snip right down through the middle like that. Okay, we're done with the scissors. Alright, open your piece of paper back up. I've got a piece of paper that says, "Hello, I'm a piece of paper." Get a piece of paper with a hole in the middle. So we want to fold it lengthwise again, one time, and then pooch it out like that. Boop. So you have, like a plus sign. And then just, I don't think it matters which way you fold the leaves, but just fold it up, collapse it like this, okay? And then, what I like to do, so these creases, make sure they're good and tight. Make sure those are good and tight. What I do is I'll take my stapler and I'll pop staple kind of as close to the edge as you can. There's one. I'm just going to put a couple in here. You can put 3 if you want to. There's one. Staples. You can use it like this, but you waste a lot. So what I do now, take a look at the edge. All right, see these places here? I take the scissors and I just go snip. There's one. Oh, so this one goes lengthwise. Come on now. Cut through there. Alright. Got a couple more in here. Up at the top. There's one here. Snip that one. And come on, fingers. Another lengthwise one here. It basically just, you're separating the pages of the notebook, so just cut those off. All right, then when you're done, presto, you have this fancy little notebook made from one sheet of paper. You stick it in your pocket, stick it in your shirt pocket, whatever, and you actually got quite a bit of space to write stuff. How about that? There you go. One piece paper notebook.